Como ça va, YouTube? Danny here with Cajun Hydroponics. Boy! Okay, so this is one of my Shedwars videos with a tip. It's about hydroponics. I do have 9 videos coming out, hopefully soon. I got videos coming out all the time I'm working on, but it's a step-by-step of why, when, what, and everything I did to get to this point in my hydroponic greenhouses. But today, the tip is when. This is the greenhouses on the north side. I'm sorry, the peppers on the north side of the greenhouse. As hydroponics, you're not supposed to see grass. They got it. You could see they did well. These 2 I just planted. But I'm about to go to the other side, show you the wind coming from the south yesterday, what it did to the plants. These were all freshly planted yesterday. And I came in, the wind was blowing. It blew one of the greenhouse doors off the frame. It took a lick yesterday, bad. I just planted these 2, so they're a lot nicer. But you could see this one beat up pretty good. This one right here, he's having issues because the water plugged off on it. But that's the main thing. Trying to keep the wind off of it, and I just didn't have time to come in here. A lot of didn't have times for me this year. But we're gonna make it work. We're gonna do what we can, and we're gonna grow. We're gonna feed a few people with these greenhouses and the raised beds, I promise you. So South Louisiana, boy, you gotta love it. Y'all grow that later. Keep your plants out the wind, it'll burn them up.